Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Nioh 2. You may notice the thing that I've sort of switched locations. What happened was, I had recorded a lot of videos. I even processed them, which is actually the root of the problem. Because I did a data migration that I messed up, and I lost a lot of videos. And I wasn't quite aware I'd lost Nioh videos that I hadn't already posted. But I lost Nioh videos I hadn't already posted. So, fortunately, even though this is a autosave game, ooh, there's a thing there. Okay. Even though this is an autosave game, at the very least, I am able to redo things. We don't want to do Bird in a Cage. It's A Way Out is the next one in the list. Now, thing is, you're going to see me in a costume that I haven't earned yet when you last saw my video. Because the next mission would have been A Way Out, and then I would have rushed to Corpses and Ice, which is where I got the next outfit, the outfit I'm currently wearing. So you're going to see me in an outfit that I probably shouldn't be wearing, and I'm going to be a little bit higher level than I should be, so this will be a little bit easier. I've gotten all of the Kodama there, but anyway, here we go. As things stand, the Azai and the Sakura forces pressing it from the north and south. Oh, wait. View illustrations, the tale of Nioh. I think, yeah, this, but before I do that, we're gonna take this off. You see, it's kind of a neat costume, but we're gonna take the mask off, and then we're gonna go to the hut and view illustrations, Tale of Nioh, and here we go. Ha ha ha, me waiting for it to automatically start. With each success, Hideyoshi's reputation grew greater. I should have read that as it went along. I had never noticed my character sitting in the back of this scene until the time before this when I saw it. So this is the first time I actually saw them fully sitting there.
美濃の平定大義である。今宵はよえ。わしは稲葉山の名を岐阜に改め、新たな拠点とし天下取りに乗り出す。さすがは我が殿。おい、それっておい。はは。であればこれを機に我らにも新たな名乗りをお許しください。しゃしゃりでよって身の程をわきまえ。藤吉郎の吉、秀千代の秀で、義秀、二人で一つの名を許す。ただし名は
秀吉とせよ。二人で一つの名とは古今例がない。他に類を見ぬ働きがお主ら二人であればできよう。まさに仁王のようにな。
That's the Nioh behind him. Okay, so that would have been the video that would have played when we went to the new chapter. Okay. Okay, after this, head armor. Yep. Okay. So we want a way out. So this is where we're going. But just think, a challenge like this is the perfect way to show that Hideyoshi has got what Hideyoshi has got, am I right? We'll ask Lord Nobunaga to let us take the rear guard and lead the retreat. With a veteran like Lord Mitsuhide and his forces on our side, we've got nothing to worry about. So come on, let's fight our way down out of here and slow the enemy down. I think there is another video that we missed that I don't know how to replay, but anyway. My throat is a little bit sore and rough, but oh, I should have read that. Oh well, I'm sorry. We'll come back here at another time. Okay. So, here's blocked. And it didn't play the video? Shortcut items. We're not that. We don't want to lose everything. We're going to use one of my divine branches. Because apparently it's not playing the video on restart. So I'm going to have to go play the initial video here. We'll get to gameplay, I swear. I wonder if I remember how to play this game. It's been a little bit. That's a sword.
光秀様、もはや藤吉郎は撃たれたと見るが妥当。これでみだりに霊石を用いる者はいなくなりますな。
奴は霊石を用いて調和を乱す男。そう踏んだが。手間が省けた。引くぞ、利光。
I should have played somebody with a sword, but I didn't want to. He looked like he was on fast forward. Now, we were seeing there Tokichiro being very scared and hesitant and everything. But to be perfectly honest, he is definitely kind of cowardly in the moment, but he puts himself in those moments. So can't really call him a coward. Kanegasaki, close to the borders of Echizen and Omi provinces, sits in a treacherous terrain of dense forest and steep mountains. To fend off the enemies pressing from the southwest, the Asakura clan established a base there, making the area much fought over. The constant battling has devastated the hills and fields, and the area has long been devoid of any human habitation. Now only the trails of animals passing through this region suggest any hint of life. Okay. So, let's see what I have armed with. What kind of jutsu do I have ready? Okay, shuriken, which are on not set. Kunai, catwalking, protection, 7 herb. Why is that not on something? Eagle eye, catwalking, sloth tokens, devigorate. You know, I'm going to put these here. What did I just remove? Here. Okay. If you're wondering why there's no, like, attack things, because long term... Oh, this is a boss setup. Okay. Protection, I don't think I'm going to use so much of. Life leech. I could use some. Actually, I'll go ahead and drop that. Gust. I'm going to have 2 of those. Cutting blast might not be a bad idea. We'll have 2 of these, and I usually don't go into those unless I'm doing a boss battle. Purification is not a bad idea, but this is going to be a lot of people. So, I think I'm going to do some water. Yep. I will do that. And so in the long run, I think it's better to build up my I can do 1 geyser shot. It's an AoE. I think it's better to build up my what do you call it? In the long run, I think it is better to build up the melee skills. Just because these run out, and you want to kind of save them for situations. Okay. What is... Okay, that's a gust. That's purification. That's water. I don't think I'm going to need the 7 herb pills. I really do like having them as a thing. Let's go get those elixirs. Set a shortcut. Cool. What does my guardian spirit look like? Okay, cool. We're gonna go and yeah, we're gonna go water and exchange soul chorus. I haven't unlocked that yet, and to be honest, I haven't unlocked that either. Sort by level. Yeah. Well, I have unlocked it. It's just you didn't see me unlock it. I'd rather not use it just yet. Okay, Nirakabi I do have available. That I shouldn't have available. That too. Yoki. Bleh. Bianchi is good. We're going to do the Kamai Tachi. Actually, just because I like my weasel friend. Okay. And, yeah, we'll go with all snake friends there. Okay. Here's our,
無名殿は先に様子見。私はここで藤吉郎殿と小六殿の到着を待ちましょう。この先追ってもおりましょう。どうかお気をつけて。
Thank you. You gave me a sacred arrow. That's actually pretty useful. Okay. Speaking of which, good. I'm armed with the normals. Where's that eagle eye?
無名が言うには、この先に行けば安全に敵から逃れられるそうじゃ。無名にゆかりのある土地のようじゃが、森の中から嫌な気配を感じますの。あやかしも潜んでおるじゃろ。くれぐれも気をつけての。
Oh, I'm using the wrong weapon for people. Oh well. Want to try again? Oh, and I ran out of gust. Oh well. What the hell? Oh, he was down to very little hit points. Okay. Now, one sad thing about this is I cannot show you precisely, easily where all the Kodama are because I tend to forget. I know there's one here because I've already found them. I'm going to go to the proper weapon. Cool. That worked well, really well, and I'm running out of enchantment. You got a good shot off on me a couple times there. Good job. I think I left a treasure up here. No, I got it. Cool. Okay. Okay. This feels wrong. Ah, there you are. Okay. Eagle Eye. Let's go ahead and do some steel talismans. That was a lot of sacred arrows. Oh, not entirely sure. I don't want to shoot the Kodama friend. Okay. Rifle ammunition. I shouldn't need special ammo if I get a headshot. So risky. There we go. Whoa! Gaki died. If you're wondering where the spotlight comes from, hello. Do I want to? There is a Kodama in here somewhere, but I already found it, so I can't show you where, and I don't precisely remember where. Oh. Where is she? There she is. Oh no, I died. That's going to be bad. Okay. It's a good time to switch videos too, so see you in a moment.